Rule number 2. Never use Teflon tape in compression fittings. This is because the seal does not form on the thread between the nut and the body as in a pipe fitting, but between three smooth surfaces: the body, the front ferrule, and the tube.
There are several types of materials that can be used for compression fittings: Teflon, steel, brass. They are designed to be used with different types of tubing.
Rule number 3. Select your material carefully. The choice of material depends on environment, including corrosivity and temperature. Do not mix metals. Be aware that using different metals, such as steel and brass, may cause galvanic corrosion and failure of seal during use.
Remember that the material used for ferrules should be harder than the tube. The exception is that Teflon ferrules can be used with metal tubing.
If the elastomeric tube material is so soft that you can compress it with your fingers, you should use an insert when putting the compression fittings on.
Rule number 4. There are many instructional videos from Swagelok that teach how to properly tighten the new fittings. However, when you are working with parts swaged before, the rules are different. Please watch our next video on this subject.
If the parts are not new or they have been laying around, they might be dirty. Clean them with methanol.
Remember that quality of the tube will affect the seal. Avoid scratches.
And finally, rule number 5. A lot of vacuum technologists do not appreciate that Swagelok fittings were designed to use primarily for pressure applications. For use in vacuum applications, you should always check for leaks.
Thank you for watching Vacuum Tube.